In this video, I easily show you how you can change the wallpaper of your WhatsApp. What we are going to do is open application on WhatsApp and we watch the three dots and go to the settings. In settings, we can see the chats and display. In display options, we can see wallpaper. In wallpaper, we can the options to change or increase light. For example, bright we can see, and to the slice and we can see other. We have images or solid colors. Solid colors with this, dark colors, and you can see photos. In my case, I select this and set wallpaper, increase, and now. And that's all, guys. Very simple. Here your wallpaper be activated. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.